Hello, I'm Tally Ferguson. I head up model validation and trading risk management oversight at BOK Financial. But over the past 20 years or so, I've been an adjunct instructor at the University of Tulsa. And I'm very happy to announce the University of Tulsa's Investment Portfolio Challenge. This is a challenge that pits students' technical skills, financial acumen, and market knowledge against other students within the University of Tulsa and across universities in our footprint. This is a unique challenge in that it asks teams of 4 to 6 students to identify how to weight sectors within the S&P 500 index. Beyond that, they must also identify 1 to 3 stocks within each of the 11 sectors. You can see how that requires analytical skills and market acumen, but the judges of the competition are going to be leaders in companies throughout our footprint. They will be here to evaluate the preparedness of the students and how well they deliver their recommendations, but they'll also have time to network and talk about career opportunities and maybe identify potential recruits.
It is something that I believe employers will look at as something that is a great asset to have. The presentation, being able to speak in front of people, presenting information, communicating information, I believe is a big, important part of the workplace today.
The benefit to students from this competition cannot be understated. The value added to students by putting them in this sort of position where you have a time pressure component. We only have approximately 2 months to do all of our research. The public speaking component, we have to deliver the presentation. And very much just giving students their own free will and sense of direction and how they would like to approach the challenge. Those sorts of activities or interactions that students have directly with the material that they learn is very rare over the course of your college experience, because most of the experience that you get happens within the classroom.
Speaking of networking, on that same day, the University of Tulsa's Friends of Finance is hosting a Friends of Finance lunch with the keynote speaker from the Boston Consulting Group. There, about 150 to 200 investment professionals throughout the region will be there to break bread and also to network, and they would love to visit with visiting students about career opportunities, career advice, and maybe even to do some recruiting on themselves. So whether you're competing, or wish to cheer on the school of your choice, or wish to judge, or just plain want to enjoy the excitement, please come join us at the University of Tulsa Investment Portfolio Challenge on November 20th, 2019.